how to export high quality GoPro video from Premiere Pro is coming up next. Hey guys, this is Ankit from The Guy's Computer, and today I will show you best export and render settings which worked for my bicycling GoPro videos. Right now I am at my desktop and this is the bicycle video which I want to render. Now if I will render this video from the basic default setting, the basic setting match source. So this is the video with a file size of 96 MB and this is the original file with 500 file size. So the file size is very small. So guys, as you can see, this is a pixelated video and I don't like the quality of export. Now here are the settings which I got after trying many other settings. First of all, make sure your format must be H.264. Next, go to the basic video setting, click on match source, scroll down. If your video has a lot of motion, like video is a bicycling video and most of the GoPro videos have a lot of motion, so make sure to select CBR, constant bitrate, and increase this to approx 60 because the file size now is 500 MB which match to the original file size, and this video is 2.7K video recorded by GoPro. Now if you are using 1080p video, you can change the target bitrate to 30 or 40 maybe, but make sure to match the file size from your original size. So that's how I got my settings, and after that I simply click on use maximum render quality and clicked on export immediately. So this is the another video, and unfortunately with the recording software I am unable to show it, but what I saw is clear video file which is lot better than the old one. So in this way I was able to export high quality video from Premiere Pro without getting any pixelated file. Thanks for watching this video. If the trick worked for you, make sure to share this with your friends. Thank you and goodbye.